Niger. Former Nigerian president faces high treason charge after losing immunity. After two setbacks, the State Court of Niger ruled on Friday, June 14, 2024, to strip ousted President Mohamed Bazoum of his immunity, thus paving the way for him to be tried by a military court. The State Court of Niger was created by the Nigerian military junta in November 2023. As mentioned by AFP, the Nigerian junta accuses Bazoum of, quote, treason, financing terrorism, and plotting to undermine the state, unquote. Bazoum is also accused of having spoken with French President Emmanuel Macron and U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken on the telephone during the coup, requesting, quote, an armed intervention, unquote. Bazoum's legal team objected vociferously to the court's decision. As stated by Reuters, defense attorney Moussa Coulibaly complained that the court, quote, violated the absolute rights of the defense, which is not authorized to meet its client, while the court refused to hear his arguments, unquote. According to AP, defense lawyer Reed Brody referred to the decision as a mockery of the Nigerian rule of law. Bazoum and his wife have been under house arrest in the presidential palace, can only be visited by their physician, and are denied the use of a telephone. Their 23-year-old son, Mohamed Bazoum Salem, was provisionally released from house arrest in January. In December, the Court of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, ordered the immediate release of Bazoum and his reinstatement as president. The following month, Niger withdrew from the West African bloc, which had imposed sanctions on the Sahelian nation just days after the July coup. Niger ordered the redeployment of French troops, which occurred at the end of December, and the departure of U.S. troops stationed at two military bases in Niger, which has already begun and is scheduled to be completed by mid-September.